Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C35, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings. From here, select Storage, and then tap on your SD card. You can choose either one of them. I'm gonna stick with Files as a way to view it. And once it's open, you wanna select the three dots. Navigate to Stored Settings and select Format. This will bring up a quick info that formatting your SD card will basically remove everything from it. So if you have anything on your SD card that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly tap on Format SD card. This will begin the process, and this only takes like 10 seconds, and there we go, it's already finished. Click on Done, and there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.